Kids had to deal with being separated from loved ones, and that was hard for them, isolating from mom or being in the same house and not being able to touch mom or dad because they're in quarantine. That was difficult.
A kindergartner at the start of the pandemic has really lost 2 years. So they're going into school now in the second grade, not knowing the fundamental principles of sharing, following rules and direction, being able to talk and share things with other children.
This summer I'm noticing a lot more just like social anxiety. Kids are having a lot more trouble like interacting. They're needing more assistance in making friends.
Older students are more able to verbalize it. I don't think we're going to know the full impact of what's taken place for sort of younger middle school, high school students for quite a while.
A lot of people felt that was like, I need to get away from home. Like, I need to leave home. Because that option wasn't there, it allowed them coming here, especially this year, like today, even more powerful.
I got you.
Two of the kids that I had facilitated virtually, like we locked eyes and we saw each other and we recognized each other. We ran towards each other and just gave each other like a big hug. It was more like a gift. Like coming here was like, it's a privilege.
With the kids coming out in the streets, being able to get a breath of fresh air, being able to have fun with different activities that we set up, you can clearly tell from their faces and like their expressions and just like the overall vibe. It's very much different.
What I witnessed with the children coming out to the camp was like they were like free to run, free to play, free to explore, and engage with their peers.